Today I'm going to be reviewing Afdea's foot massager with heater. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I'm going to put up a video of me having it on and also of me trying to put it on. It's not the easiest thing to put on. It's not a bad product. It vibrates, it heats, but it doesn't do like a kneading massage. So you can use it on your ankle as it shows there. You can use it on your foot. You can actually move it around to your wrist, which I really like. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box and see what we got. So in the box, you get a little bag with your charger in there. Just charges normal C to USB-A. You've got an extra strap in here and then the actual unit. If you step back, this is what it looks like. To turn it on the top, you just hit this button right here, and then that's gonna pop it on. On the bottom's where you charge it. You've got heat. You can change the degrees on there. You've got 3 vibration modes, and then you also have a timer. Now, this does only get 3.8 stars. I'd like to see 4.4. It looks like it gets mixed reviews. Some people say that massaging isn't enough. Some people say the heat isn't good enough. It does what it needs to do for me with the 6 heat levels and 3 vibration modes. You know, manage your expectation. This is what you're going to get. It's going to vibrate. It's going to have heat. It's not going to do the kneading massage. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.